I'm Paul Pittman of Collier Pickard and welcome to the Maximizer Minute. Today I'm going to talk about cataloguing a search. Search catalogues are useful to give you quick and easy access to frequently run searches. To create our search catalogue there are just 3 steps. Number 1, we'll create our search, then we'll test it, and finally we'll store it into a catalogue. In my example today I'm going to do a complicated search that involves multiple fields. So in this case I'm going to search across all the fields in Maximizer for entries using the basic fields where the company has a certain value. But in addition I want to check position and last name. So for my example today, the company name should equal Collier Pickard. The last name I'm going to put a value in here for, and I'll come and explain that to you in a moment. And finally position. So in my criteria I've said I want the company name to be Collier Pickard. I actually want to make sure that the last name does not start with ZZ. So the not equals value will let me do that. And also I'd like to make sure that the position field is filled in. So once again I'll click not equals. Finally I want to match all of those criteria. So if I say OK to that, then Maximizer will go out and find my list of people who have a last name that does not begin with ZZ and have a position filled in. I've proved that search works, so to save it now all I have to do is click all fields, last search, and then I can catalogue, and I can give that search a name. I'll call it Paul's phone list. And at the point of running that search I can actually ask it to retrieve for me a particular column layout. I created one earlier called PP phone list. So now if I want to run that search at any time I can search all fields, go to the catalogue, select Paul's search, retrieve, and say OK. So in summary, the Maximizer search catalogue lets me simplify complex searches. It reduces the time taken to find the data I need, and next week I'll show you how to add that to a single click toolbar button to give you instant access to your data. My name's been Paul Pittman and I look forward to seeing you on the next Maximizer Minute.